Jeep Compass Diesel Automatic launched by January 2018. Jeep may have missed out the diesel automatic on the Compass this year, but you won't have to wait long before they launch the diesel with a 9-speed automatic. It's been almost a year since Jeep entered the market. Ever since then Jeep has been struggling to gain a toehold in the country. This year the company took on a paradigm shift and started looking less at their premium offerings and turned towards mass market. The SUV maker will now have 50 dealerships and plans to expand even further by the end of the year. How they've achieved this is by adding Jeep dealerships to FCA's existing Fiat dealerships. Their first mass-market product per se, the made-for-India Compass, was launched yesterday at an extremely competitive Rs 14.95 lakh. Now Jeep has offered the Compass with a 1.4-liter petrol which makes 162 horsepower and a 2.0-liter diesel which makes a 173 horsepower. Interestingly, Jeep has only offered the petrol variant with an optional 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox, while the diesel gets only the standard 6-speed manual unit. However, if you really want to have the diesel with an automatic gearbox, Jeep says they will bring the diesel with a 9-speed automatic by January, although deliveries will not start until February. The Compass has had a firecracker of a start with 5,000 bookings coming in within the first 40 days of counters opening. Now Jeep is manufacturing the 2 in a 60 hours 40 minutes ratio, biased to the top-spec diesel. Deliveries will start on August 6, 2017, while petrol buyers will have to wait till Diwali. To sweeten the deal, Jeep is offering the Compass with a warranty of 3 years or a lakh kilometers. Alongside the Compass, Jeep has also announced the entry of Mopar, their sales and performance brand in India, which will offer several service packages and extended warranty for all its models.